practice quiz 4. So I wrote SOHCAHTOA at the top of this. You have to be able to spell SOHCAHTOA. Then for this first one, I always like to identify which one is the hypotenuse first, the one that's across from the right angle. Now as far as the 3 goes, you have to look at the angle. And so opposite would be across from the angle, adjacent is the one right next to the angle, so the 3 is the adjacent. So I'm looking for a trig function that has an adjacent and a hypotenuse, and I can see that a and h are both in the C. So this one is a cosine. And we write cosine of the angle is equal to a over h, so 3 over 5. On the next one, I see the hypotenuse because it's across from that 90. Then when I go over to the angle, that 2 is the one that's all the way across over here, so the 2 is opposite. I've got an O and an H, so this one is going to be the S, the sine of the angle. That's the Greek letter theta. Sine of theta is equal to O over H, so 2 over 6. And this last one doesn't have a hypotenuse labeled, so I'm going to go to that angle, and it looks like the 6 then would be opposite, which makes the 11 the adjacent. O and A are for TOA, so tangent. Tangent of angle A is equal to TOA. O over A is 6 over 11.